will start. Khansa देला. Okay. So good evening. Okay, we'll wait little. Let everyone. Let's see if some more can join. Okay, I'm just waiting for that. Voice is audible, right? ದೊಡ್ಡದು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹಿಂಗೆ ಹಿಡಿದು ಕಡೆ ಎಳಿ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಕಾಣಿಸತೈತೆ ಅದ. ಹರ್ಷಿತಾ ಜಾನ್ವಿ. ಓಕೆ. Okay, so see, from today we will solve question papers only. Okay, so basic as well as standard both will be covered. Don't worry. Okay, because see, basic and standard there is syllabus is same one thing, and only difference between standard and basic is in standard you need to study your NCERT book, that is your CBSE, plus you need to study other authors also like RD Sharma and all little. 70% will come from here, 30% you can study from here. If it is basic, then like everything will be coming from NCERT book only. My suggestion is, if you can do your CBSE book, maths book completely, then you will score very well. No need to worry. If you get a chance, then don't neglect the other authors also. Can you you are able to see what I am writing, right? You are able to see what I am writing? Okay, we'll take first question. So what is first question? Find the sum of. Okay, thanks for the confirmation. Find the sum of first 30 terms. Sum of first 30 terms of AP given by minus 30, comma minus 24, comma minus 18, so on. Okay. So now this question is from arithmetic progression. Or we will take one more question here. Together we will solve. So in an AP, if Sn is equal to 4n, n into 4n plus 1, okay, then find the AP. Both questions are very easy. Okay, so first one we'll take now. Solution for the first one, that is find the sum. So look at this word, sum of first 30 terms. How many terms? First 30 terms of AP. The sequence is given here. So first thing, when you see this word sum, you have to understand that you should use Sn formula, because sum, it is sum of n terms. Okay, then 30 terms they have given. First 30, what will you understand by this? Your n is equal to 30 here. Your n is equal to 30. What is your first term from the sequence? Here minus 30. This is your first term. Then you will have a D. What is difference? Difference is T2 minus T1. Second term minus first term. So here the second term is what? Minus 24. Then minus of minus 30. So which is minus 24 plus 30 is equal to 6. So your D is 6. Now everything is ready. Write the formula. Sn is given by what? N by 2. Then 2a plus n minus 1 into D. Correct? So just insert the values. 30 by 2. And here 2 into minus 30 plus 30 minus 1 into D. What is D here? 6. So this will be 15 minus 60 plus 29 into 6. Now this is going to be 15 minus 60 plus 29 into 6. 26 are 120. See, always multiply by breaking it. 20 and 9. 26 are 9 6 are. So this calculation will be very fast. See, 120 and 54. That is 174. Break like this. Why I am breaking like this? It is very easy to multiply in terms of tens, right? 10 into 20 into 30 into like this. Whatever number is given to you, break it like this. Say for example 547 into 19 they want. Suppose it looks very huge number, but if you break it into 500, then 40, then 7 into 10 into 10 into 10, then again you should do into 9 into 9. Just a trick I am telling you. If you are comfortable in multiplying the usual way, do that only, don't worry. Correct? So now what will happen to this? Now this will be 15 and we are going to subtract here. So this is integer rule. Minus 60 plus 174. What is the meaning of this? 60 should be, 60 is subtracted in 174. That is the meaning of this. 60 is subtracted in 174. So what will happen if 60 is subtracted? 114. So 15 into 114. 15 into 114. Again you see multiplication. So if you multiply 100 into 15, what will you get? 5 fours are 20, 5 ones are 5 plus 2 7, 5 ones are 5 plus, then 1 fours are 4, 1 ones are 1, 1 ones are 1. So you are getting 0, 11, 7, 1. 1710 is the answer. Clear? We'll take the next one now. So which is the next one? You want to write? If you want, you can just take a screenshot. Yes, 1710 is right answer. Take a screenshot. Later you can copy the question and solve by yourself. Okay. So I am going to the next question now. What is the question? In an AP, Sn is equal to n into 4n plus 1. Okay. Then find AP. You have to find AP. Means you have to find a sequence. You have to find a sequence. What do you mean by sequence? The series of numbers. Okay. Series of numbers. AP. Series of numbers which will have a constant difference. Means same difference will be there. Between 1 and 2, 1 is the difference. Between 2 and 3, 1 is the difference. This is AP sequence. So how will you do this now? N they have given, you have to find out terms, right? First term, second term, like this. So you can simply keep substituting 1, 2, 3 in place of n's. You have to substitute n equal to 1, n equal to 2. What you will get if you put n equal to 1? What you will get if you put n equal to 2? Like this, right? So if you put n equal to 1, what will it be now? Yes, S1, 1 here, again 4 into 1 plus 1. So this will be 4 into 1 plus 1, total 5 it is. So you got your first term. You remember, your first term is S1 also. Okay, there is what is the relation between Sn and first term? They both are equal. What is the relation between S2? What S2 is equal to? S2 is equal to first and second term addition. This is one formula like this. So now S1 is 5, means first term is 5. A is 5. We got. Now I will find out second term, right? So that is my S2. What will be my S2? Just I need to put wherever I have n, 2 I have to. 2, 4 into 2 plus 1, which is 18. Which is 18. S2 is 18. Okay. Here there is a catch now. This is not your second term. This is S2. S2 is 18. What do you mean by S2 is 18? You have to take a help of this and find the second term. If S2 is 18 and A1 you know 5, what is your second term? A2. A2 as it is. Shift the 5 here. So we will get 18 minus 5, which is equal to A2. That is 13. A2 is equal to 13. A2 is 13. Why did I find out A2? Because they are asking you sequence. They are asking you sequence. Sequence means you need to find out A1, A2, A3, these things. You cannot find out S1, S2, S3 and say this is a sequence. This is not sequence. This is sum of the sequence. But we need sequence. So first I will get S2. Then from the S2 I am getting A2 using this formula. This formula. Hope it is clear. Is it clear? Okay. take up next question now. Take screenshot if you want. Next, find the value of m. Find the value of m yes, Janvi, that is also correct. You can find the value of m for which the quadratic equation for the quadratic equation we need to find the value of m. See, such type of questions are very important. So what they have given you, m minus 1, this is the quadratic equation, x square plus 2 into m minus 1 x plus 1 is equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation you are given. Okay, it has two real and equal roots. It has two real and equal roots. It has two real and equal roots. Now see, this is very important condition. This is talking about your discriminant. This is about your discriminant. What is discriminant? D is equal to b square minus 4ac. This is discriminant. We have three conditions. Already I have made a video on this topic, so you might have watched that. D less than, D greater than, D equal to 0, 0, 0. When you have two real and equal roots, the third condition is suitable one. When D is 0, means when your discriminant is 0, then the quadratic equation will have real and equal roots. It will have real and equal. Here R and E, real and equal. Now if it is less than, then it is no real roots. No real, imaginary. If it is greater than 0 D value, then it is real and distinct, R and D. Okay, so let's solve this now. So how to proceed then? Simple, this formula, equating it to 0. We know that D equal to 0 for real and equal roots. First line we will write like this. Then after writing this, we are going to get our ABC from the given quadratic equation. B square minus 4ac equal to 0. D means b square minus 4ac. From our quadratic equation, I am going to get A. A is m minus 1. What is A? A is the coefficient of x square. Compare it to standard form. Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Now in the place of b, who is there in the place of b? See, watch carefully. Students make mistake here. Just this is x, this is x. Leave these two x's, then whatever is remaining is your b. That means b is equal to 2 into m minus 1. Then what is your c? C is 1. The last number. C is 1. Now let's substitute this here. B square, right? So what is my b? B is 2m minus 1. 2 into m minus 1. We have to square this. Because I have b square. Okay. Then minus 4 into a. What is my a? M minus 1. C. 4ac. What is my c? Into 1. If it is 1 and all, you write it or leave it, your choice. Now how to square? Again students will make a mistake here. Observe carefully. So how to square? First square this number first. What is 2 square? 4. then square this bracket. Now what formula we will use? A minus b the whole square formula we are going to use, because it is m minus 1 whole square. So what is a minus b? A square minus 2ab plus b square. So accordingly 4 into m square minus 2 into 1 into m plus 1 square. This much we'll get. Now let's multiply this 4 to both of these inside. 4m minus 4 equal to 0. Following till here, is it clear? Is it clear? Yes. Okay. Now this is the normal way how you people will do, right? Once you see the m minus 1, all this, you will expand and do this. Then again you will multiply the 4 here inside, all this. Sometimes we need to observe in the question. Okay. So for this question, in this step, I think no need to do all this work here. If you carefully observe what is happening, I will show you. Let me remove the steps. This is the normal way how students will do. You can do this way also, no problem. You'll get the answer. So now here there is a step which is very easy if you observe. What you got? 4m minus 1 whole square. See, I squared only the 2 and I kept here 4. I am not going to square this. Why, I will tell you. 4m minus 1 equal to 0. See, this will be simple if you do like this question. Okay. Otherwise, normally how I showed you just in the last last minute, you can go like this. This we will be doing keeping like this, because I can see here m minus 1, m minus 1. It is common. Very easy to take out and simplify it. No need to expand and multiply then simplify. Correct. So sometimes you have to be very observant. If you are very good observer, then definitely will get to know all these things. So can I take m minus 1 common? Yes, I can take m minus 1 common. If I take m minus 1 common, who is remaining now? 4 is remaining, because okay, I will take 4m minus 1 only common, because I have 4 here also. Now who is remaining here? Only m minus 1 is remaining. Then what is remaining here? This full term is out. This full term is out. Means nothing is there. So 1 will be there, which is equal to 0. Okay. So I have 4 into m minus 1. Then in the bracket again I have m minus 1 minus 1. So which will become m minus 2. Like that. Correct. So we'll take this. See. 4m minus 1. Okay. 4m minus 1, and here m minus 1, and again there was one more minus 1, which is equal to 0. This will be now m minus 2 equal to 0, and this will be 4m minus 1. Correct. So now if I equate both of them, 4m minus 1 equal to 0 is one root, m minus 2 is equal to 0 is another root. So from here I will get m minus 1 is equal to 0 by 4. You will shift 4 first, which is again 0. You need not write all this in the exam, I am telling you. Directly you can write 0. But I want to make you understand, so I have to write. From here I will get m equal to 1, and from here I will get m equal to 2. Okay. M equal to 1 or m equal to 2. Now m is equal to 2 should be the right answer, because we got two values, right? Or you can write m equal to 1 or m equal to 2. It's okay, no problem. So now m value should be equal to 2 or not, how to see that? You can verify by putting in the given equation. So let's verify. What was the equation given to us? M minus 1 into x square plus 2m minus 1 x plus 1 equal to 0. Let's put these values here and check which is right answer. See, if you put 1, what will happen? 1 minus 1 x square plus 2 1 minus 1 x plus 1 equal to 0. If you put 2, what will happen? 2 minus 1 x square plus 2 into 2 minus 1 x plus 1 equal to 0. Now what should happen? LHS should be equal to RHS. Then that is the valid answer out of these two. Okay. So here this will become 0 because 1 minus 1 is 0. 0 into this is 0 again. Here also 1 minus 1 is 0. Everything will become 0. So I will remain with 1 equal to 0. That means LHS here is not equal to RHS. If I check here what is happening, this will be x square and this will be 2x plus 1 equal to 0. So in another way I can say quadratic equation is existing for this value m equal to 2. Here the quadratic equation is not existing. So I can say m equal to 2 is the valid answer. One way. Correct. Because here there is no x square root only. X square term only has gone. If this is gone, not a valid equation, quadratic equation. So for m equal to 2, it is valid. I will consider m equal to 2 as the valid answer. That's just quick check you can do. When you will do this? When you get two same answer, like two answers like this. See, if it is a quadratic equation solving, every time when you solve quadratic equation, you will get two roots. That is different thing. Here you are not solving quadratic equation. Here you are asked to find value of m. Find value of m means value of m cannot be two answers. If you get anything like this, you need to check the way I said and find out the valid one. Is this clear? Shall we take next one? Next, solve. Now this is your favorite, I think. Solving you might have practiced so much, correct? But there is one area where you will struggle to do still. Okay, anyway, on the go you will learn, don't worry. Solve root 3x square plus 10x plus 7 root 3 equal to 0. Such numbers only trouble you, right? The numbers like this, then decimal numbers, then fractions if they come, all these things trouble you. You people feel easy to do such questions. X square plus 7x plus 10 equal to 0. Wow, it's so easy. You will be very happy. When you see such questions, then you will feel like little, oh my god, hege madodu idnanta. Don't worry. Same way things will work. You just need to follow the procedure properly. That's all, right? So how we are going to do this then? If I multiply, I should get 7 root 3 and this 3 into 3 into 3. My last term, correct? So I have made a video on these things also. Last term first you should find out. How will you find out last term? Coefficient of x square multiplied by last number. What is last number? 7 root 3. That is your last term. Now let me show you what you will get here. Watch carefully now. Root 3 into root 3. What will happen? Root 9 into 7. What is root 9? 3. 3 into 7 is what? 21. This is your last term. Now this last term you need to split such that if you multiply, you should get 21. If you add or subtract, you should do both. Sometimes after adding, you will get sometimes After subtracting you will get. Therefore you need to do both. You cannot do only one and just leave it. If you add, after adding subtraction, you have to get the middle one. What is the middle number? 10. Okay, fortunately both the sign are positive only here. Sometimes they'll give combination, sometimes they'll give minus. That time you need to balance the sign here by making a smaller number, bigger number, what you want, how you want the answer. Like that you can manipulate. So clearly here the roots are 7 and 3. Wow, so easy it is. Straight away. Right? So you are going to write 7 and 3. Root 3x square as it is. Then you will write 7x, or you can write 3x first. Now this is also question, why you are writing 3x first? Because I have root 3 here. I have root 3 here. His brother only I will write, right? So brothers in one family. Then these two brothers are in another family. 7. 7, 7. These two brothers are in other family. Like this. If you write here 7 and here 3, then you are bringing the other brother into the other home. You are messing up. So don't do that. Okay, now this is one group and this is one group. Just observation, nothing else. Observe comfortably. Make things easy for you. So what number where you will write? If you write which number where, how will you be able to take common? That's it. Did you see? If you write 3 3 7 7 like this, easy to take common. If you write, if you mess it up, you can take, but again you have to rewrite the step again. Okay, so here who will come common? That is the big question now. See, always I have told you, while taking common, be careful. First observe the numbers, then observe your letters, then observe your signs. Sign also. These 3 steps you need to take care of. Now I will observe number here. What are the numbers? Root 3 and 3 are the numbers. Who will come common? The smaller table will come common. Means, say for example, I will take one example here just to explain you. 2 and 4. Who will come common? 2 will come common. Why 2 will come common? Because in second table we have 4. We have 4. But in fourth table we don't have 2. Fourth table starts with 4 only. So where 2 is here? Means he is bigger one. He says, I am the boss. I cannot be common. You should be a common because you are smaller than me. It's not about smaller, bigger. Please keep that in mind. It is about which number is coming in which table. That is how you will select the number. In second table 4 comes, but in fourth table 2 is not coming, so 4 cannot be common. 2 can be common here. Now likewise here the numbers what we have here, who will come common? Who will come common? Root 3 into root 3 will be what? 3. Correct. What I mean to say, root 3 is a smaller one here. See, 3 can be written as root 3 into root 3, and here this root 3. So you can easily take a root 3 common, not 3. If you take 3 common, then you are messing up again. Because in a root third table 3 will come, but in third table root 3 will not come. So the boss is here 3. Got it? Like this you need to check the numbers, how to take numbers common. Okay. Now letters, how to take letters common? Simple. The letter with less power. Letter with less power. Again the letter with big power is a boss. Boss will not come out. He will send others out. So you cannot take x square common here, but you can take x common because letter with less power. Then sign. Among the sign, no one is boss here. Sign. Dangerous is minus. Never deal with never deal with negativity in life also, in maths also. Mathematics also, this minus is going to mess you up and break you down. So don't worry. Here fortunately there is no plus minus combination. If you want to see how to take when plus minus combination is there, please go and watch my video. I have made a video, I have taken so many questions and done different, so you'll understand. Okay, let's take common here. Root 3 number common, x letter common, sign no need to worry because everything is positive. What will remain now? How will you check what is remaining? Root 3 was there in the first term and that itself is out, means root 3 is not there. X square was there, x is out, that means only x is remaining. Now here 3 was there, among the 3 root 3 has gone out. Among the 3 root 3 has gone out. I mean to say 3 can be written as root 3 into root 3. 1 root 3 has gone out, so 1 root 3 is still remaining. Now what about x now? X is out already. Then he cannot be inside. Okay, so he cannot be inside now. Come here now. Second step, the first step of taking common from the first group, very easy for students. Actually this is now they will struggle in the second grouping. Now second grouping, repeat this bracket, exactly this bracket just below this group. ಇವ್ರು ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡೋದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಇದನ್ನು ಹಿಂಗೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಈಗ ನೀವು ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್, ಕಂಪೇರ್ ದೀಸ್ ಟೂ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ಸ್ ಅಪ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡೌನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಹೂ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಗಾನ್ ಫಾರ್ ರೋಮಿಂಗ್. ಸುತ್ತಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗೋರು ಇದ್ದೇ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ, ಅವ್ರು ಯಾರು ಅಂತ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೇಕಷ್ಟೆ. ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್. 7 was there, 7 is missing here. This idiot has gone for a roaming now, so write 7. That's it, your work is done. Here also you observe root 3 7, no 7, ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟವನು ಅವನು ಸುತ್ತಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಓದೋದು ಬಿಟ್ಟು. ಸೊ he has gone out. So now over. Next what you will do, search for common bracket now here. ಅಂದರೆ ಕಾಮನ್ ಅಂದರೆ ರಿಪೀಟೆಡ್ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್. ವಿಚ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ರಿಪೀಟೆಡ್ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್? ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ರೂಟ್ 3. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ 1 ರೂಟ್. ದೆನ್ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಈ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ರೂಟ್ 3 ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇನ್ನು ಉಳಿದಿರೋದು ಯಾವುದು? ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್, ರೂಟ್ 3x ಪ್ಲಸ್ 7 ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0. ಈ ಸುತ್ತಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗೋರ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡೋದು, ಅವ್ರು ಹೋದ್ರಷ್ಟೇ ಅವರು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನಾವು ವಿ ಆರ್ going to get answers from here. X plus root 3 equal to 0, root 3x plus 7 equal to 0. X equal to minus root 3. Here again be careful, first shift added or subtracted, whatever is added subtracted, first shift that. Okay, then go for the other. So 7 I will shift minus 7, then I will shift 3 now, root 3 minus 7 by root 3. These are the two roots of this quadratic equation. Is it clear how to take common, how to factorize? This is very important. Okay, maybe see you have learnt already all these things, but somewhere I feel that even though you have already spent around 6-7 months in doing these things, but somewhere I feel still there will be a confusion, like what I have seen, right? So that's why I just took a time and explained you. Please follow the way I have explained. You will never go wrong. Never. You will never go wrong. No chance only. Correct? Just, it's not that take common, take common and what take common. So you should know, right, what you are taking, why you are taking. All that is very, very important, right? Anyways, Let's take next question, and please remind me once it is 10, or else I will continue like this only. You people has to go should go to school tomorrow. In fact, I should also go to work, but when I'm doing, I won't see time and all, so you people are going to remind me. If you don't want to remind me, then just continue. Here there is one word problem. Okay, this is very good question. So I am going to ask you from which chapter it is. Okay, will you be able to answer? I'll just ask you from which chapter. Yeah, it's okay, leave it, we'll cover it in the next session, don't worry. So I don't want to check a patience of you, and you people should think like sir is insulting us, nothing like that. Okay, so one more beautiful question is coming. Harshita, the product of Rahman's age. Today only I had uploaded a video about age related questions. Rahman's age 5 years ago, and his age 7 years from now, and his age 7 years from now. 7 years from now. Is one more than twice his present age? Is one more than twice his present age? Twice his present age. Find his present age. Find present age. Okay. I think next time onwards I'll keep the questions ready so that we can directly. But why I prefer to write questions is because even I should understand, right? It's not that I know everything. I should understand to solve. That's why I always prefer writing. But if you think it is a waste of time, all that, because your generation is very fast, so you please let me know. I will keep the questions ready. I will just cut paste them here, then we will take only the solution. But if I write like this, even you people will also understand. That's my intention always. I keep the board empty, not ready. Okay, let's go for this beautiful question. The product. Identify all your keywords first, then think about what you can do. Product means you will multiply. One thing you understood. Product of whose age? Rahman's. Only one fellow is here. 5 years. One fellow, but two conditions. 5 years ago, 7 years from now. 5 years ago, 7 years from now. Is one more than twice his present age? Find his present age. Is one more than twice his present age? Find his present age. First thing you need to do is product, right? So write two brackets like this. What is the product? Age. Whose age? Rahman's age. What is his age? We don't know. Let it be X. Correct? Find present age. So let the Rahman's present age be X. That's the correct line you are going to write in the exam. Let the Rahman's present age be X. You wrote X. Now write X here also, here also. Okay? Because we are taking a product. But see now, 5 years ago, 7 years from now. 5 years ago means you need to go back. You need to go back. From now 7 years. From now means you have to take future. So here I will minus 5 and here I will add 7. Plus 7 minus 7. Why minus plus 5? Minus 5 plus 7. Why minus 5? Go back. Why plus 7? Go front, forward. Think about the future. Future is always about positive addition. past is always about negativity. So don't think what has happened all these days, I did not study, that happened, this I forget. Now it is time to study. Okay, be in a positive mood. Okay, now equal to, see, is in the mathematics equal sign. Is, will be, become, all these are equal signs. Okay, then younger, okay, ago, back, later, these are all past minus. Okay, then hence, from now, okay, forward, later, later is future. Okay, later, after, all these are future keywords you need to remember. Now is, one more means what? Plus one you should write, one more. Twice is percentage, one more than the twice is percentage, one more than the twice is percentage, twice, thrice, four times, these are all multiplication. Okay, more, less is plus minus. Remember all this is your equation. Just solve this. Now you'll get x value. So how will you solve? Multiply these two brackets first. This is not in standard form, right? First you have to bring it in the standard form, then solve it. What is standard form? Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. It should look like this. Then you will be able to solve. So how will you multiply two brackets? You remember in 8th standard I have taught you people. Okay, let me do it once again. First bracket, take one term from the first bracket, which I am going to take x. Then this is second bracket, repeat this completely, x plus 7. Now go again to the first bracket, take the second term, minus 5. Repeat this second bracket again, x plus 7 equal to 2x plus 1. Multiply x into x, x square, 7x minus 5x plus, no plus, minus 35 equal to 2x plus 1. Here minus, here plus. So minus into plus will be minus. Now x square plus 7x minus 5x, 2x minus 35 equal to 2x plus 1. Now this side 2x and this side 2x both will get cancelled because both are plus. Just watch them. If you bring this 2x here inside, this will become minus 2x. Plus 2x minus 2x will get cancelled. Plus 2x minus 2x, 0. So what is remaining now? X square minus 35 equal to 1 is remaining. X square minus 35 equal to 1. Okay, so let's get the x value here. Okay, tell me x value. X square minus 35 equal to 1. What is x value? Tell me. X square minus 35 equal to 1. What is x value? Tell me fast. No need to calculate, compute, nothing. Straight away you can answer. You guys are there or not, or I am alone here. Hope you have not left me alone here. X equal to, fast. So I am able to see your chart or not.
चड्डी विथ
ये हो गई. ಇಲ್ಲ ಯಾವುದಿದು? Yes, 6 is right. Harshita, x square is 36. X is root 36. X is 6. Actually, plus or minus 6. X is equal to plus or minus 6. Plus 6 minus 6. But we are going to consider plus 6 as the answer. Because age cannot be negative, right? Correct? Age cannot be negative. Therefore, the right answer is 6 here. Clear? So this is how you will be able to solve quadratic equation, any problem. Age, see, there are 3 things which you need to practice well: time, speed, distance. Questions, work related questions, age related questions. If you can practice these things properly, then you will be able to solve any question. Got it? Okay, so I think we'll stop here, or else we'll take one more question. Atar hogo atar live idan ataru na. Okay, it was 36, not to worry, Janvi. So we'll take one last question and we'll wind up. From trigonometry, we'll take one. We'll solve all the questions, don't worry. Okay, we'll take one from the statistics. So find the mode. Find the mode. Find the mode. Class intervals are 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, then 50 to 60. Class intervals. Frequency, this is CI. Frequency is given to you 15, 10, 12, 17 and 4. 17 and 4. So they are asking you to find mode. Okay. So first, mode is equal to, okay, we have a formula for mode, right? The formula you should know first. And one important thing is to find modal class here. First we have to find modal class. What will be the model class always? Model class is the class for the highest frequency. This is class interval. So highest frequency is 17. So the model class is going to be 40 to 50. 40 to 50. Once you get to the model class, you will get your L value. In the formula you have L, right? That value, L value. L is the number which is present left side. So here L is equal to 40. L is equal to 40. Then what is the size? Class size is equal to 10. Why? Because the difference between every class intervals is what? 10. That is class size. Clear? Model class, you got to know how to find highest frequency. If you know the highest frequency, then you will be able to decide a model class. Let's write now the formula L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Now we have got two values. L we got 40 plus we got H also, that is 10. Now we have to get this F1, F0, F2. We have to get F1, F0, F2. Okay. So which is F1? F1 is the frequency of the model class. Frequency of model class means the highest frequency only here, 17. So F1 is 17. Frequency of the model class this is. Then who is F0? F0 is 1 before the F1. F0 is 1 before, because 0, see this way, this order you need to keep it. 0, 1, 2. 0, 1, 2, right? So 0 comes before 1. Okay. So always keep in this order to not to get confused. Let me write the proper order. This is one more way of not getting confused. F0, F1, F2. First you will find out F1. F1 is which you have already marked actually, which is the highest one, and this is the frequency of the model class, that is 17. Now F0 means 0 comes before 1, therefore F0 will be before 17. Before 17, 12 is there. Then F2 will be after 17, after F1. 0, 1, 2, then that is 4. Just put all these numbers here now. So F1 minus F0 is 12 divided by, here I have 2 F1, means I have to do 2 into F1. So 2 into 17 minus again F0, 12 minus F2 is 4. Okay. Now this step, listen to me carefully here. Listen to me. Don't touch this number until you reach the end. Don't touch that 40. Don't touch. Simplify this side. This complete side you simplify. Later whatever you will get here answer, this part, that you should add to 40. Don't touch 40. Okay. So 17 minus 12 is 5. Here 34 minus 12 minus 4 into 10 again. So what will this be now? 40 plus 5 divided by 34 minus 16. 34 minus 16. Why minus 16? Minus 12 minus 4. Same sign, two numbers, add them first, then write whatever sign both of them have. Integer rule. 34 minus 16 into 10 again here. Don't touch 40, keep it as it is. 5 divided by 34 minus 16. Is it 18? Yes. Into 10. Now 50 by 18. 5 into 10, 50. 50 by 18. This 50 by 18 can be written as, let me remove this part. 50 by 18 we will reduce. So what is 50 by 18? 40 plus 2 25s are 2 9s are. Correct. Now you can cross multiply 9 and 40, or you can do one thing. 40 plus what is 25 by 9? Divide it. 25 by 9. 9 2s are 18. 7 is remaining. 0.70. 9 6s are 54. 16 is remaining. Then 9 1s are 9. 7 is remaining. Again 70. So this repeats. 2.61 you can take. 2.61. Then add it. 42.61 is your answer. Mode is 42.61. 42.61. Or you can also write in mixed fraction form also. That also will do. Okay, so anyway, 42.61 or mixed fraction means convert this into mixed fraction. This we have done here already. How to convert? 9 2s are 18, right? 7. QRD format you should write. I will show you that also, because you should know this also, right? QRD. So what is Q here? Quotient 2. R is remainder 7 and D is 9. So 2 7 by 9. 40 plus 2 7 by 9, which is 42 7 by 9 or 42.61. Anything will do. Better you go for this. Okay, it's not that accurate, but this is accurate one. 42 7 by 9. Okay, clear? Let's stop here. We'll take up remaining questions from this question paper tomorrow, and I think we'll keep ready the questions also. Like I'll just paste them so that we can take up more questions. We have less time, we have to cover. My target is at least to do 10 papers, and I think I will be able to do 10 papers very easily. I'm just doing it slowly because I want you to be familiar with all these things, right? Digital, this one, because I think last time when you attended digital classes was during COVID time. After that you don't have a habit, so I want you to be little familiar. Then please let me know if you want me to improve in anything, like the way of writing or explanation, or if you think I'm I can do it faster, or if I'm doing it faster then ask me to be slow. Or if you don't want me to explain the basic behind the sums, if you want me to do the sums directly without talking about any basic things, that also. Because as a teacher, without talking about the basics I cannot go ahead and do the answers like I know everything, let me do it. No, not like that. It's about you people. You have to understand you are spending your valuable time. Maybe for me now the time, like you people are in exam times, right? So I have to respect your time. If that is also the case, sir, don't explain the basics, just keep doing the questions. We'll go through the questions like that. Or this is okay, sir. Lot of things we getting cleared now. Then so learning like this is very, now whatever I taught you today, every, all the like 4 or 5 questions I think, again do them. Okay, if you have any doubt, this video will be there in the YouTube channel. Again open it and see, take the questions, write in one page. Okay, it takes 10 minutes. If you do it before sleeping now only, that is better. Maintain one notebook, separate notebook. Keep on daily basis, keep doing. If we are doing only around 5 to 6 questions, I will increase the live class timings, like on the go. Maybe we'll make it 1.5 hour 2 hour, like so that we can take up more number of questions. Now let it be 1 hour. When you will have a holidays coming, that time you will do more, not a problem. But just understand, if you are doing only 5 questions daily with me, correct? Suppose if you have 2 months time, 2 months is 60 days, 5 into 60, 300 questions we will be able to do. Very very big number it is. And out of 300, even in exam, even if 10 or 20 question, 10 repeats, you will have more than 40 marks there only. That's the beauty of solving question papers, which students neglect. That's the reason why I thought of doing this every 9 to 10. Why 9 to 10? Because definitely this is your sleeping time, or you may go and watch Big Boss and all. Anyway, whatever it is. So I wanted you to make utilize of this time, right? So 9 to 10 is very good time for me also. I will also come from work and sit and take up a class with no has this one, burden and all. I will be very free. Okay. Okay, thank you so much. Bye bye, take care, good night. uh, if you are watching Big Boss, stop it. Anyway, it is about to end. Okay, people will win, will respect their wins. They deserve, whoever wins is deserving one only. But now 2 months you people have to sacrifice. Just stop doing all those things, get back to your studies, take up question papers, solve them. Social, huge amount of syllabus, science, huge amount. How will you remember? What way you will remember? And one more thing I wanted to tell you, I am going to make a video about math, science, social, like how you can study, which topics you should study very very importantly, from where the questions are coming. I have done a research already, like I have seen question papers for about last 5 6 years. Then I have made my mind that from these topics only the questions are coming. If I will, maybe within 2 days you'll get that video. First I'll do for maths. You know what, in 3 to 4 hours you will be able to finish your maths textbook only, whole textbook. Not believing? Okay, wait for the video, you will get to know how it is. Okay, take care, good night, bye bye, thank you so much. And pass the information to most of your friends. I know you are doing it, but still keep doing that. People should get a help of these things, right? Okay, shall we wind? Just say good night in chat box, we'll wind up. Good night. Yes, yes, yes. Good night. So let me read out your names, right? Janvi is here, then Harshita is here, Suraj is there, Ketana is there, Netravati. Did I miss anyone's name? Suraj, you are from which school? Netravati, I know. Janvi, Ketana, you are from? Are you all from same school? Girish, Girisha. Arpita, okay, okay, okay. Got it, got it. Yes, yes, yes. Arpita, I know, I know. Yeah. Suraj. Shivani, okay, okay, okay. Shivani, you are here. Suraj, Suraj from Cotton Pit, is it? Suraj. I know only one Suraj, Cotton Pit Suraj, who was a best boy. Best boy. Okay. Anyways, thank you so much for attending. Every day we'll have these live sessions. I think these things will help you a lot. Correct? Good night. Take care. Bye bye.